Hello everyone and welcome to this HyperWorks tutorial. Today we will create mid surfaces and edit plates. To begin, go into File, Open, HyperMesh Model, and browse to the file associated with this exercise. Open the part browser and isolate and make current beam lower mid surface. Set topology visualization from the View Controls toolbar. Next, go into Geometry, Mid Surfaces, and use Automatic Mid Surface on the solid. Use the Clear Existing Plates option and set the destination component to original name number. Use Edit Plates to review the plates. Change to Color by Type and Location to Mid Surfaces. Notice some mid surfaces are not well placed. Change the options as shown. Select the three surfaces shown here and change to planar. The selected surfaces are then considered a plate. Repeat on the other side. And update mid-surface. Select the 12 surfaces shown here, 6 on each side, and change to sweep. Update mid-surface and exit from the Edit Plates tool. Switch to Topology View to ensure all surfaces are well connected. Optionally, you can practice with the beam upper part. Extract the mid-surface, adjust the topology, and edit the plates. Show all parts, and now you can save the file. Go into File, Save As, HyperMesh Model, and save with the file name shown here.